Hey everybody, thank you again for tuning back in to Lowdown on Lockdown. This is Jake Pack. Today, actually, we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take you through a typical project scenario that you may have, and I'm going to show you how you can integrate Axolight into multiple different areas of your project. So let's go ahead and get started. So stepping into the first area of your project is likely going to be the main lobby. This is the space that your owner is likely going to want his, her, or their main statement piece. This is something that's going to catch the eye from the outside, pull in the clientele from the street, wanting to perhaps lease an apartment from this building. It's enticing. It's something that also is able to accommodate the scale of a lobby. A lot of the spaces that we're looking at these days have higher ceilings, and Axolight offers a ton of decorative with large scale. So that takes us to our first product, which is going to be your main statement lobby piece called Cloudy. The name speaks for itself. This is a product made in one scale. If anybody can tell me what 128 centimeters is in inches in 3, 2, no cheating, 1, it is 50 inches. If you got that correct, I do not have a prize for you, but I do have this fixture for you to specify. 7600 lumens is the delivered output on this, so this is really going to be a lot of light. This is meant to be the center focus light in the room. It's going to be performance driven as well as a decorative aesthetic. The material is actually done with a PMMA for the globes, and then it's wrapped in this really beautiful fabric that can be taken off and washed if you're worried about dust collection over time. So the oohs and ahs have passed in the lobby, and now we're making our way down the corridors. When doing corridor lighting, it's really nice if you can find a product that maintains the same aesthetic but has a flexibility of being used for multiple different applications, and that's when it's perfect to use the Doodot. This is a newly launched product available in all of these beautiful new finishes that you see down below. The concrete green has definitely got to be my favorite. A multiple different optical lenses available, so if you need a 15 degree to highlight a really center focused art piece or do a wider flood, perhaps if you're going to mount on the wall and you're doing for more pathway illumination, this would be perfect, but flexible with a 46-degree tilt. So this is perfect for wall washing down some art, or again, mounting on the wall and having the capability of blasting out some light as a sconce. And the last area of the project that I'm going to take you through is the reception and or your lounging areas. So in these areas of your project, you're going to be looking for multiple different light sources. Typically, we're looking at floor lamps, table lamps, and suspension pendants, and that takes us full circle to the float. This is a newly launched product by Axolight this year, available in all those beautiful new neutral tone finishes that you saw available in the Doodot series as well. The unique thing about this product is that even when you're specifying it in a suspension mount, it's still a rechargeable light source. So this is really meant so that if you want a suspension aesthetic, but instead of using where you would maybe typically use a floor lamp or a table lamp, you kind of have the flexibility with this product. You can also take it off of that mounting system and put it simply mounted on and hanging off a wall. So it's got this flexibility to kind of be whatever you want it to be. And that concludes our quick tour on where you can use Axolight's newly launched products in multiple different areas of your project. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. And before I let you go, I gotta remind you, it's general election season. Exercise your right to vote. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.